In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to write an email with HubSpot. We'll start right from the HubSpot dashboard. To access the email tools, head to the top navigation and open the marketing section. This is where all your outreach lives, and it's the quickest way to get to the email builder. Inside marketing, select email to open your email workspace. If you don't see this option, make sure your user has the right permissions for marketing emails. Next, create a new message. Click Create Email to spin up a fresh campaign. When prompted for the type, choose Regular. A regular email is perfect for one-time announcements, newsletters, and promotions that you send to a list, rather than automated workflows. Now, you'll choose a starting point. Browse the templates and select one that matches your goal and layout needs, whether that's a simple single-column update or a more visual newsletter. Templates help you move faster and keep your design consistent across devices. Once you've found the right one, click Use Template. That opens the drag and drop editor so you can customize the content. With the editor open, bring in a text area where you want the AI generated copy to appear. From the content panel, drag and drop a text block into the section of the email you're building. You can reposition it at any time, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Now let's put AI to work. Inside that text block, look for the Create with AI icon. This tool helps you draft content directly in the editor so you don't have to copy and paste from elsewhere. Click it to open your content options. Choose Paragraph as the content type. This tells the AI you want full body copy, not a headline or a short snippet. It works well for intros, product descriptions, updates it, and calls to action. In the prompt field, type exactly what you want the AI to write. Be specific about your audience, the goal of the email, the tone, and any details that must be included. For example, you might say, write a friendly, concise newsletter paragraph introducing our spring product update, highlight the new feature benefits in plain language, and include a soft call to action to learn more. You can also mention length, like keep it to 120 to 150 words, or specify a voice, such as professional, upbeat, or educational. The clearer your prompt, the better the first draft. Once the AI generates the paragraph, refine the copy right in the text block. Make sure it aligns with your brand voice, is accurate, and avoids sensitive information. When you're happy with it, your AI written email content is ready to go.